My big brother. Okay. Guys. Hold on. Pull down. I want to tell you one thing. This peace is ushered in by NRM. Enjoy! Your parents died for the peace. Enjoy! We are here for President Museveni and his company. Okay, we are going now to dance up tonight. Time is limited. We are going to ask the government to extend just 7 minutes. Okay, T.Paul, where is he? T.Paul, come here. Step here. You see, kings eat on the same bread. Which is the bridge between the young generation and the old generation? Me.
Zire is the link between the young generation and the old generation.
I'm out of the game, but let him stay in the game. We promote talent and sports. God bless you. I'm going to promote him in his foundation. I'm putting 5 million. But this one is for Frank Bear. Come, my sister.
Honorable Charity.
Lastly, hold on. Listen. Muhoozi, if you are listening to Nigeria, Muhoozi, but this is a concert for all Ugandans. Yes, for all Ugandans. I want to tell you, I have been having a team, task force team. Can you come around President Museveni and say, told me to step down? And because of this and party royalty, I've stepped down. Forever. So that our country can move forward. This is my team. This one has been heading my task force. The former member of First Family. And now it's a flag bearer of Maru's constituency. In a party district. Who can relate to Uganda? It's you young generation. You are on the way, religion, just enjoy. Everybody's good. Everybody's good. Enjoy!
Somebody say
We never gonna borrow, yeah, we gonna fix ya. Yeah, we going from local. Ah, yeah. We never gonna borrow. Level of Mr. DJ. Man, congratulations, my brother. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations. Mwabare kuja bantu mwe. Mwabare kuja patira brother wangu.
Before you leave, allow me, let me do this for you. Let me give this for you. On the 19th of September, she's coming back here, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, at Elugogo Cricket Open. We can do this yet again. Please come and support my sister, Omega 256. One love, peace and love. Come on. Before we go ahead as well, I want to invite a special gentleman here. We have the brother to the president here. And when I see my time, it is already coming to what? To midnight. So allow me give your honors to the brother of the president to come and say a word. And you never know, we might meet for a day to ask her around it. Yeah, Muhoozi, please come over. This is the brother to the president. He's coming. After Seth Morali, please come as well. Yeah. In the presence of Honorable Seth Morali. Yeah. These are all people here.
I don't have words. Thank you, God. Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much. Mwebale mutatushwaza. Mwebale rukundo. Mwebale rukwata wa T.Paul. Mwebale rukundo. Rukundo korechi. Egumeho, and I love you so much. I'm called Seth Morali. Omunyeto amashanyarazi. I love T.Paul. I love music. I love youth. I love talent. And may God bless you. Egisho tumana gitwenka egisho namana ganyu nenda kwebaza abantu abagerizeho munonga promoting T.Paul. You guys tried your best. Bloggers, influencers, to everyone. Thank you so much. I want to take this special note to thank you, T.Paul, before anything else. Can I give you a hug, my brother? The camera has introduced them to we have our brother here, the brother for the president. He's been my good friend for a long time, and he loves supporting youth. He loves you all. DJ